Do you guys remember this guy? This is Johnny. He's a real tester. Remember how he tested a hard hat with a brick, a kettlebell, and even a firecracker? All the videos are on the channel, by the way. And the idea from the last video comments. It is interesting, but I need to buy a new one. Guys, you've all seen how at the metallurgical plants where workers make metal things, they are protected with only a hard hats. Not with the protective suits, but with this kind of helmet. At a time when the temperature of melting metal is near 1000 of degrees. So today, with the help of Johnny, I want to check whether hard hat can protect him from molten copper, which is 1010 degrees. This is our smelting furnace, in which we will melt copper. The maximum temperature is 1200 degrees. Looks like Johnny is ready. So guys, let's begin. Guys, that is so freaking hot. But you know what? Protection comes first. Well, I'm ready. Holy, have you seen that? But just to make it sure, we will repeat that one more time. Holy, guys, despite the hole in the helmet, Johnny is kind of intact, except this small metal beauty mark on his forehead. Well guys, this is only the first video. Tell me what else you want me to check with the molten copper. And at the last time, I will show in my next videos the most crazy unusual ideas for my next experiments. So be sure to share your thoughts. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.